Oh, where's my love? I am searching high.
Attention team. A fire broke out in the engine room but has been contained. One crew member sustained severe burns and is unconscious due to smoke inhalation. OOW. Ensure all firefighting measures are complete and confirm fire status. Chief Engineer, report any engine damage.
Master, fire is fully extinguished. No risk of ignition. Affected areas has been cooled and secured.
Master, machinery and ventilation system are fully functional. Temporary shutdown might be needed for repairs.
I will now establish communication with the shore base emergency support. Please prepare all documents, injured crew details, fire reports, and ship status. Shore emergency response. This is the master. We've encountered a fire on board. The fire is now contained, but one crew member is severely injured, burned, and unconscious from smoke inhalation. Request urgent medical guidance and support.
This is your response. We copy your message. Please provide more details. Details about the injured and the ship's condition.
The injured crew has severe burn and is unconscious. First aid and oxygen has been administered, but condition is critical. The ship is stable, but some engine damage need further inspection. Evacuate may be needed if situations worsen.
Understood. Is the injury crew member responsive? Do you have a ship's doctor on board?
The injured crew member remains unresponsive. We do not have a doctor on board, requesting immediate medical advice and evacuation if necessary.
Continue oxygen supply. Keep the crew member cool and monitor vitals every 10 minutes. We are contacting a medical personnel and preparing for emergency airlift. Please update us every 15 minutes.
Understood. I will continue monitoring and provide regular updates.
Oh, where's my love?
I am logging all communication and will prepare a post-incident report after the situation is stabilized.